Can you guess what it is? Hey everybody, hey NailTubers, welcome to episode 3 of The Masked Finger. Today I'll be working on McCart full coverage clear coffin nails. And for today, our masked guest is a popular favorite, Polygel. Polygel was personally handcrafted in Chicago by PQ Color. Oh, and let's not forget the adorable little Polygel brush.
It looks like the real thing almost.
So the objective here is just like the TV show. You have to figure out what nail product Polygel is hiding.
What are you? What are you? What are you? What are you?
Let me first explain the set. Today I'm using this orange because my brother actually picked this color. I'm using this orange from Sinful Colors and it's so beautiful. It's a shimmer orange. Three of the nails will be a solid color, one will be jelly, and the other one is hiding underneath the Polygel. I think you're really going to like this set. This is an absolutely fun nail spin-off from the popular TV series of The Masked Singer, and to play along is pretty much the same. As we give you clues throughout this video, you have to guess what nail product is under the masked finger. And while I'm polishing, here is your first clue.
I am relatively new to the nail industry, but I hit the ground running.
That's a tough one. I hope it gets easier.
You think that's tough? But then again, there is a lot of new stuff out here. This nail will be the only gel nail in the set. I used McCart's clear jelly polish. I started out with orange but needed to mix a little green to bring it to the right shade to match the rest of the colors in the design. I cured this for 60 seconds. Not only was I struggling because I had nails on for a change, this one stand was falling apart, so I had dropped this little nail. I was checking it. Let me just tell you guys, I am so overjoyed at how this ended up into a series, because initially it was going to be a one and done thing, and I was going to figure out my next idea. Then I started getting responses that led me to doing this. This is an absolutely amazing family, and I'm totally elated sharing this journey with you. Has anyone figured this out yet? Then here is your second clue.
I can be from one to another place in a matter of seconds.
Oh, I think I know what it is.
Do you? So you'll see that I've started a second coat here. As much as I like this color, the polish was a little difficult to work with. I've had it for quite some time and the bottle was half empty, so I was struggling a little to load the brush properly, but it still turned out so beautiful. The orange nails are getting a clear glossy top coat, Wet n Wild from Dollar Tree. Now remember, this jelly finish is a gel product, so I need a gel top coat. I'm using Princess Nails by Diana. Thank you, Princess D. Love you. And then when I'm done polishing it, what am I going to do with this? Because Nikki, I know you watching. We're going to pop her in the oven. Pop her in the oven. Pop her in the oven. Let it bake, bake, bake. And we're going to do that for 60 seconds, guys. Oh, and before I do that, I went in with a small amount of builder gel so that I can adorn it with all these beautiful stones. Keep watching and try to figure out this third clue.
I tend to be very nice and do well by you. Just don't rub me the wrong way.
I'm trying to figure out what that can be.
Yeah, like it's probably going to turn out to be something exact opposite what we're thinking. And while we're still trying to figure this out, let's just give a round of comments for Polygel. Isn't Polygel so adorable? And the best part is Polygel looks so realistic, and look at the brush that it comes with.
Polygel does look good.
We love you, Polygel. So, Polygel, do you have anything to say to the viewers?
Yes, I do. You guys have no idea how much I've enjoyed this. I mean, just look at me. I can't believe I'm even here, being able to do this for you. It's been so fulfilling.
Take it off. Take it off. Take it off.
Now the moment of reveal.
I think I got this.
You probably do.
Maybe I'm not sure.
Just when you think you got it.
Wow.
Oh my goodness! It's nail foil! Nail foil, you did such an amazing job today, and we really appreciated having you. So everybody, here's your glimpse of nail foil, formerly known as Polygel. Did any of you get this right? I hope you certainly had fun with us today. Don't forget, this has become a series by popular demand, so if you haven't seen the first two, there'll be links for them in my description box. And if you happen to like these red nails that I have on, that was my Bougie Nails on a Budget series from yesterday. There'll be a link in the description box as well as the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.